Ang Swan Lake kasi, it's the classic. It's the one of the main classics, especially for the men. As you see in the four acts, nandun yung prince. Si Odette happens only in second act. The first act, the prince is celebrating his birthday. So, doon pa lang, papakita mo yung pag-mature ng prince. From a very jolly prince and jolly hunting, and then he falls in love with the Swan Queen. Pagdating ng third act, makikita mo nag-iba na siya. So, nag-mature siya eh. And then, ma-enthrall siya sa Swan, sa Black Swan. And then he becomes happy. So, masaya siya. Tapos pagdating ng Act 3, nung nag-reveal si Odile, madidevastate siya. So, wide the range, but it's wide, but you need to be subtle. Kasi prince eh. So, yun yung challenge ko. Unlike Albrecht, it's closer to Romeo. He can show off. But in Siegfried, medyo subtle yung medyo constrained yung pag-act mo. Yun. At saka ang mahirap kasi doon, yung variation niya, you dance in the last act. In the third act, yung pinaka-variation. Yun yung mahirap doon. Kasi from doing nothing, you just dance. Ayun, like sa act 2, you just partner. So yung dancing mo talaga sa act 3. Act 1, may konti kang sayaw. But, yeah, yung pinaka-dancing mo sa act 3. Well, basically, ang Siegfried is partnering. Dapat magaling ka mag-partner.